Hey, ELD3, guess what? You have two teachers this week. Hey, say hi to Miss Englander.
Hi, everybody. It's great
Cool.
to see you.
So we're gonna do a quick lesson for you all and an example so that you can see what you will do in terms of a conversation. So just follow along as we give you the directions. And then if you have questions, please let us know after in the email. All right, so here's what you need to know. So our learning for today, here's what we really want. We are hoping that you listen to our conversation. So Miss Englander and I are going to have a conversation, and then you are going to add it to the conversation. Okay. So while we're doing this, think about this. What are we trying to learn? Objective is to identify the main idea, and then to support your main idea using your language to build on your colleague's idea. So in this case, Miss Englander's idea and my idea, how are you going to add, build, or maybe challenge, or maybe extend? Okay? And so at the end, I want to make sure that you know that you can build your knowledge through academic discussion. Okay? And we expect that you will share, and please, if you can, try to record yourself so that we can hear your voice at the end. Sound good? Anything to add, Miss Englander?
No, I think that is it.
Cool. All right.
One thing I will add
yes.
is just know that going into this conversation, Ms. Ramirez and I have listened to a text. We maybe took some notes to prepare for our conversation. And we don't know what we're going to say. So there might be moments where we have to stop and think and pause. So.
Cool. All right. Let me see. Why is my slide not moving along? Oh, there we go. Okay. So the active listening, the purpose for listening, it's going to be our turn first. You're going to listen to how we explain the main idea. Okay. You're going to listen to how we maybe build, right? Like these blocks. Maybe how we challenge, right? Maybe we don't have the same idea, or maybe how we extend, how we think about some connections. And then it will be your turn to record yourself building, challenging, or extending on one of our main ideas. Okay, sound good? Cool. All right, these are some of the ways that you can agree, disagree. So for example, if you agree with Miss Englander's main idea because, or if you agree with one of the ideas we bring up, you can use this. I disagree because, or maybe something we say is interesting because what blank said makes me think about, right? Remember, that's extending. How are you going to maybe make some connections? Another idea, right? Another extension. I relate to this because, or this song also makes me think about. And remember, there are two songs that you can choose for listening to, but we're practicing with one of them, and we want you to listen to our conversation about this one. Cool. All right. You ready, Miss Englander?
I'm ready.
Okay, let's discuss. So what is the main idea, and how do you know for the song Video by India Ari?
So before I begin, I want to remind our students that there are many ways to express the main idea. Ms. Ramirez might be thinking of a different main idea than me, but as long as we can demonstrate why we think it's the main idea by supporting our ideas with evidence from the text, that works. So there's many different ways to explain the main idea. Different words can say similar things. So should I start, Ms. Ramirez?
Yes.
Okay. I love the song, first of all. Thank you for choosing it. I think the main idea of this text is that learning to love ourselves is a process. It takes time. It's not something we automatically do, just love ourselves, but it's something that the author is saying she learned how to do.
Great. I agree with your idea because I also think the main idea is that it's not easy to love yourself. And part of the reason it's not easy is because we have videos or social media or other things that tell us, you're not beautiful or you're not good enough. So when she says, I'm not your average girl on the video, I think that is how I know that she thinks that there is like a way to be that society or that social media now tells us, oh, that's how you are going to be. And when you don't look like that, then maybe you think, oh, maybe I'm not good enough, or maybe I'm not beautiful. So yeah.
So you're kind of bringing our two ideas together. That makes me want to revise my main idea statement to put those together. So I could say the main idea of this song is that it's difficult. It's sometimes difficult to love ourselves, and it's a process that we have to learn because society sometimes makes it difficult to love ourselves.
And I would say, but if you have good people and role models that tell you that you are beautiful and that you are just fine the way you are, that you will be able to love yourself and not have to listen to all those other things as much.
And what you just said makes me think of an important detail in the song. I didn't write this one down, but she says like that she's here to tell us.
Yes.
She's here to be one of those role models.
Yeah.
I can't remember what the line is. I should have the lyrics in front of me, but she says,
I'm here to tell you all. Oh, I can't remember the part now.
Hold on, let me look.
You don't want to hear me sing either.
I'm gonna look because hold on.
And while Ms. Englander is looking for that one piece of evidence, because I think that's how you know that that is the main idea, I just want to remind you what you are going to do is use one of these, right? So that now we gave you some ideas, and you can play this video again of Ms. Englander and I talking, and you can see, like, what is it that you agree with that I said, that Ms. Englander said, or maybe that you are extending, that you can relate to, or that I think this song also makes you think about, because it will be your turn to record yourself building, challenging, or extending using one of these if they help. If you have another way to start your building, you can do that too. But did you find it, Ms. Englander?
Yes.
Okay.
So the line where she says, "This is a true confession of a life learned lesson I was sent here to share with y'all."
Yes.
So she wants to be one of these role models in our lives to help us remember that we shouldn't listen to society and these negative messages. We should learn to love ourselves.
Excellent.
Another, oh no, continue.
Well, I think that's it. I think we want our students now to do their best to use one of these, right? It will be in the Schoology for them to record themselves. We can't wait to hear you and your ideas about what we started, but what we know you have more to say about. All right. So with that, we hope to see you on Schoology and then in real life very soon. Los extrañamos mucho. Cuídense.
Bye, guys.